Hey bros, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be doing a tournament on Cars. I really do love Cars. I like the first movie that Pixar came out with. It's a really good movie. And so I'm going to show you the guys here. We got Lightning McQueen, we got King, we got Chick X, and then 19 car, I don't know his name. Then you got the 11, 90, another Dinoco, 4268. We got Tank Coat, 24, 76, 92, 93, 74, 54, 52 leakless. Over here we have some of the Grand Prix. We have the 28, 39, Francisco, this guy. We have him, Flower. I think we would just call her Flower Car. Him and then him. I also have a Dinoco McQueen and a lot of other McQueens, and then here's my other stuff. So yeah, I'm at my grandma's right now. So yeah, let's get the first guys up here. So we have these guys up here. So let's go. Oh, whoops, go. All right, so let's go. Oh, got it. Jesus. Oh, well, King landed. McQueen is dead. Chick X is dead, and the 19 car has survived, so he will be going on to the next round. You guys be staying. So you guys will be getting hit by whoever the winner is. That go. Oh, jeez. Oh, you got 90 there. He is really fast too. That was really cool. I didn't know if that was scary. So we got another Dinoco out. 68 and the 11th. Winner spot. And we got you guys. Alright, so we got 36, 24, 76, and 92.
Oh, Cloud,
go.
Did.
And also, the pink one's my favorite, my grandma's favorite. So hopefully he wins, or she. That. Okay, that was very. I think I forgot to put them down. My bad. I forgot to put them down. That's why. I don't think much. All right, so well, 92 easily got over that. Yeah, Rob. Already set. Go. There we go. Oh, okay. No one won. We have a spin out on top. Yeah, this car really doesn't go good. We're not gonna put you in because I remember. Tire messed up there, so put you by here with my Truex and Elliott I got from my dad and my Fast and Furious, all my other NASCAR cars. Alright, so we're gonna start this over with you guys. That was just crazy. I really hope this car wins. Also, I might be doing going to my friend's house, Luke's, and with my friend Dakota. So hopefully that might happen tomorrow. Let's go. Let's get a good angle from here. Probably from like right here. Ready, set, go. Ooh, it looks like 92-1 again. So he will be going here. So sadly he didn't win. That's okay. Over there we have I don't know what they are, but we got Maters if you need help. So Mater is a waiter. That was cringy. I think I would have to add some cars in. I'm not sure. We'll see. Leakless has something on his back. There you go. So we're gonna do the same little things that we did before. You guys getting hit. Thank God I just saw that. I forgot those things were up. There. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. He ran over the phone. Oh God. Oops. Alright, so 93-1, it was a very close race. As you guys probably saw. 54 lost. I don't know why, but he reminds me of a Bash Bros thing. So you got Leakless out. Leakless is so cool. Alright, so we have Francisco is pretty fast, and we have 3 other Franciscos. My brother calls Francisco a French fry car.
He looks like it. Come on.
No, he doesn't. I guess he can. Let's zoom in.
Oh, Cloud, you dead, my dude.
Dear God.
Woo, woo, woo. Oh, God.
Right, that was hard. 3, ready, set, go!
Oh!
Forgot to set them down. Oh God, you killed the phone. Alright, Jesus. I'm not good with this. Hopefully, hopefully they didn't die. Please don't die on me, phone. 3, 2, no. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my gosh! 28-1. That was crazy. Jeez, Francisco died. Like one of the first ones out. So see what I mean? How we only have one more race. So we might do this a little different. Alright, last race. Let's do it. Oh yeah, wait, not last race. I'm sorry. So, get you here. See, great view of them coming down. Saw these. They're very smart. Okay, there. Right. Focus. Ready, set, go. Whoa. Wow. That was fast. I never really used him. That was amazing. Looks like he went over there. So we'll do this and then we'll see what happens. 90, 19, 92, and 93. So, what we're going to do, we're going to push it down, and then whoever's the winner will have a 3 match, and then whoever's first ones there will have their own battle. They'll have 2 battles, so you see how it goes. Ready, set, go! Why do I oh, gosh. Okay, so I'm like, I don't know why, I just keep forgetting to put them down, so sorry again. Ready, set, go. Whoa. Looks like 93 wins. 90 was very close. He's really fast, and then we got 92, and then 90. I thought it was raining. It sounded like I heard the cars over there. Okay, so this is not the last race. Okay, he died. I wonder who he... Let's put you in. I want to put the Dinosaur McQueen in. That'd be really cool. Alright. So we got the 2 racers. Set, go! Oh! Wow. I accidentally took a picture. We got 93 and Dinoco. Those guys were too slow and they didn't make it. Did they? Let's try one more time. I want to know. I don't think. What did you see? Oh. Alright. There, go. Oh God, okay, they are actually slow. One flipped over here. Oh God, he flipped over here. He did me a favor. Dang it. Alright, so we have the last 2. We're gonna do 2 races. So this is special because we're gonna get you guys get hit by them. Oh, top. Alright, I just have a problem setting things up. Ready, set, go. Oh my God. This looks a little wrong. Well, he won, so we're gonna try that one more time. That was very close. There you go. Do it one time. We have them over here. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, and 93 is your winner. You just, gosh, fell. So these are all the losers, and we have the fastest car in this tournament. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I think we need more Maters. That's okay. We have over there, we got Rusty Mater, Nice Mater, we have Dr. Mater, we got Space Mater, and other Maters, and then we got Spy Mater. So we have lots of Manders. Mostly my brother has a good one because we have, actually over here, as you can see, on that line about the doctor, we got, that one is his, my Space McQueen's over there. This is mine, because I got jealous that he had this one, so I wanted this one. He has Spy, and then, yeah. So we have actually way more other Manders, and then we got, Mac there, so I like it. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching, peace out, and I'll see you next time.